everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. We're having a great day. I have a random eBay haul, so I thought that I would show you what I got from eBay. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if I do cough a little bit, I'm still a little bit sick, so hopefully I won't, but you just don't know. It just like kind of comes on you, so be aware. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, I've got my first one here. Let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, what did I get? I got my iron pills. This is the only place that I can buy my iron pills. And they're about half the price on eBay. So, because I have to take special iron pills. And for the pharmacy to order these are about $60. And these are about $15. And you get 100, and that's what they're called. These are really good, so if you have, if you need like a higher iron pill, definitely check this out, and definitely check with your doctor to make sure it's okay for you to take these. But that's where I get mine. I have to get mine on eBay because they're about 1/4 of the price. Alright, so those are my iron pills. And this is just going to be like a random thing, so. Alright, number 2. It's actually pretty nice today. It's not raining, so that's good. Alright, let's see here. Alright, this is a DVD. And this is Alfred Hitchcock with James Stewart and Grace Kelly, my favorite, Rear Window. So if you've never seen this movie, definitely check it out. You'll really, if you like Alfred Hitchcock and you like Grace Kelly and Jimmy Stewart, this is a good one to get. Alright. Yeah, so what we're doing is that we're just replacing our old VHS tapes because they're starting to like deteriorate because they're so old. Oh, what did I tell you? Alright. Okay, here we go. Yeah, sometimes you just have to upgrade. Alright, here is another good one. This is Alfred Hitchcock, Dial M for Murder. And we're going to watch that one tonight. So I'll keep that one out. This also has Grace Kelly. Okay. And last but not least, alright, we have Quinta County with Andy Griffin and Johnny Cash. This is a true life story mystery with murdering and you name it, they're doing it. So this is another good one if you like that kind. If you like Johnny Cash, he's a very good actor. I was really surprised. And I always liked Andy Griffith too, so. But yeah, that's definitely check that out if you're interested in that kind of genre. And my cool bag of the day, guess what it is? It's my Jared Marry Mama. I never can say his name right, but I love it. Anyways, this is the Kingdom of Cute. Dooney and Burke zip satchel bag. Love it. This is a very cool bag. I'm really super happy with it. And it holds like everything. Alright, so that is my random video for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for supporting me. Bye now.